Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center. Today we will discuss how effective is laser hair removal in reducing the hair. Friend, laser hair removal is a very effective technique to reduce hair, but there are few things that we should keep in mind. Number one, what is the technology of the laser? Suppose it's a very thick hair, very dense thick hair. There we have found anti-yag laser works very well, or diode can work well because their wavelength is pretty high. Like an anti-yag has wavelength above 1000 and diode has a wavelength about 916. So it can work on thick hair. Now let's talk about Alexandrite and IPL laser. Now in Alexandrite and IPL laser, the wavelength is less. It is near 600, so it works on the finer hair. So it is very important what is the kind of hair and what technology of laser we are using. If we are having thick hair, then we have to use either anti-yag or we have to use diode laser. But if we have very fine hair, thin hair, in that case IPL works very well, or we can use for Alexandrite laser. So the wavelength of the laser and the type of hair has to match each other. The other thing that's really very important is what is the joules, the strength of the laser shot that's given. If the hair is very dense and we give high joules, the power we keep high, then the result can be good. But if we keep the joules of the laser less, the energy that we are giving is less, then it can cause paradoxical growth or more growth may happen. So these are few things that are very important. The kind of laser that we are using, the joules that we are using are very important. Then pulse duration. What is the duration between the two laser shots? That is called pulse duration. So that is also very important to show that how effective the laser would be. If we keep all these parameters, the joules, the pulse duration, and we choose the right kind of laser, we can expect very good results in the laser hair removal. Then the different ways by which we can use the laser shots. We can use the stacking. Stacking means one shot after another shot is given in the same area. So that is called stacking. We can do either stacking or we can give pulses of the laser in multiple layers. We can give the pulses of the lasers, multiple pulses can be given, or stacking can be given. So these are different methods by which the laser can be given. So stacking can be more effective as compared to pulsing. This is something we know. So by what method are we delivering the laser shot is also very effective. But if we use the right method, if we use the right kind of laser, right technology is being used, right joules are being used, then the lasers are very effective in laser hair removal, but we have to make the right choice. So friend, if we use the right laser hair removal are very effective in reducing the hair growth. The hair growth there is only reduction. It is not permanent removal of the hair. That we have to keep in mind. Thank you friends. I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center.